Welcome to Growth Engine's Business News Bulletin. Today's top story. Global brokerage giant Nomura has revised its forecast for India's benchmark index, the Nifty50, making a bullish call that's fired up market watchers across the country. In a fresh note to its clients, Nomura has raised its Nifty target by a jaw-dropping 1170 points. Nomura has recently revised its outlook on the Indian stock market, raising its Nifty50 target to 2 to 6,140 for March 2026, up from the previous estimate of 24970. This adjustment reflects a 6% potential upside from current levels and is based on a valuation multiple of 21 times projected FY27 earnings, increased from 19.5 times earlier. The announcement comes amid continued foreign and domestic investment inflows. So what is driving this optimism? According to Nomura's analysts, the fundamentals underpinning the Indian market remain strong. They cite a resilient macroeconomic backdrop, corporate earnings upgrades, and expectations of policy stability following the 2024 general elections. Nomura believes the Indian economy stands out globally for its healthy growth prospects and relative insulation from external shocks. But it's not just about the index. Nomura has also unveiled its 17 top stock picks, offering insight into where the smart money might be heading next. The list spans sectors from finance to consumer goods and industrials, reflecting a diversified approach to tap into multiple engines of India's growth. Among Nomura's top recommendations are industry leaders like ICICI Bank and State Bank of India, indicating confidence in the country's banking sector to drive credit demand and capitalize on economic growth. In the consumer space, leaders such as ITC and Titan make the grade, as Nomura bets on rising discretionary spends and consumption trends. The brokerage also highlights select players in infrastructure and technology, with names like Larsen & Toubro, Ultratech Cement, and Tata Consultancy Services making the cut. The report notes that these companies are well-positioned to benefit from government infrastructure initiatives, private capex cycles, and digital transformation tailwinds. For investors, Nomura's bullish stance suggests further upside in Indian equities, even after a stellar run so far this year. While global headwinds remain, think interest rate cycles or geopolitical risks, Nomura's upbeat outlook is seen as a vote of confidence in India's market resilience. To recap, Nomura's new Nifty target of
26,140
reflects a robust confidence in the Indian markets, anchored by a strong domestic economic story and forward-looking sector picks. Nomura's 17 stock picks, key drivers of the next market rally. Nomura unveiled 17 top stock picks strategically curated to benefit from India's structural economic momentum. These stocks cover various sectors, including financials, infrastructure, consumption, technology, and energy, showcasing a diverse investment in India's multiple growth drivers. Below are some notable names from key industries: financials and BFSI, ICC, Bank State, Bank of India, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, infrastructure and capital goods, Larsen & Toubro, Siemens, Kalpataru Projects, Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Trent Limited, Technology, Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, Mahindra & Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki Energy and Utilities, NTPC, Reliance Industries Limited. Nomura believes these companies offer a mix of earnings stability, policy-driven tailwinds, and sectoral leadership, making them strong candidates to outperform in the next fiscal year. Investors are watching closely to see if India's rally can continue its momentum through the rest of the year. That's all for now in this edition of the Business News Bulletin. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on the stories moving the markets.